Time travel. And another way to travel in time is to get past the wormholes. Many scientists believe that if we get past the wormhole, then we might be able to travel in future or past. But it's not that easy to get past the wormholes because it is comparatively very small when it comes down to their size. Only a few particles can permeate through it. Although it is very much possible that we might, by any means, would be successful in increasing the size of these wormholes and bring it to use someday. According to Albert Einstein, if an object travels with the speed of light, it can travel to the future. Let's say, if at the age of 20 you leave the Earth in a spaceship which travels at the speed of light and come back to Earth after 5 years. Your age would be 25, but all your friends around you would be at the brink of old age, which means you traveled many years into the future. Wouldn't it be amazing to travel in time? But is it even possible to travel in time? And if yes, then how? We have heard a lot about time traveling, but it's still unknown if it is practically possible to travel back and forth. Stephen Hawking even went as far as to throw a party for time travelers, which only time travelers were granted the permission to attend. But no one showed up at the party. Well, that's that. Let's get to know what science has to say about time travel. You might have heard about the black holes. They have a very huge mass, and according to laws of science, if we keep an object with very huge mass near it, time would seem to go by at a very slow pace for us. It means if we keep on lingering around a black hole for a year, it would compare to 100 years when we get back to Earth, meaning we traveled 100 years into the future. But you can't go back to the past. Time, meaning for a person who's traveling at the speed of light, for him, time would pass at a very slow rate. Well, as of now, traveling at the speed of light is practically impossible. Maybe in near future we'll achieve that too. There is another way to travel in time, that is Tipler cylinder. Tipler cylinder is a very large maze in space and time whose mass is way bigger than that of the Sun. According to an American scientist, Frank Tipler, if we linger around Tipler's cylinder in a spaceship and come back to Earth, we'd have traveled many years into the past. So, these were some scientific ways by which we can travel back and forth in time, which would be possible in coming years. So, that's all for today.